All right, we are officially alive. Let me know if you can see the screen and if you can hear my voice. We're about to dive in to something groundbreaking. I can't wait to show you the case studies, the success stories, but more importantly, the data. Because what I'm about to show you is backed by some of the most undeniable proof that everyone who grabs this today, who's going to utilize what we're going to show you right here, is going to earn a recurring income. Now I'm going to show you exactly why and how that's possible, but first, let me know in the chat box if you can hear my voice. Once again, there you go. I see John's here, Anthony's here, Steven is here, Rebecca's here, Linda's here. Amazing. George, good to see you as well. Perfect. So all of you are right on time. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to show you how brand new app agents create custom white label apps made by agents that generate recurring income even if you're a complete beginner. Long story short, I'm about to show you how you will be able to land clients in any industry, even if you're a complete beginner. Now we have tons of stats, data, proof to back this up. So again, I can't wait to show you this. This is a success story maker just from the ground up. And here's why. Most online businesses struggle right now with not having enough attention. Let me know if you agree. That's one of the main bottlenecks of every single business. Just give me a quick yes if that makes sense. There you go. Lots of yeses. They have great offers, but not enough attention. They don't know how to stay in front of people. This is, the most annoying part about running a business. How can I make sure, I stay in front of the person that is the most ideal, right? There you go. And because of that, they're losing customers to competitors daily. Now again, let me know if this makes sense because this is really important. We're going to show you how you will get paid effortlessly by solving this without even having to sell anything. It is phenomenal. There you go. Lots of yeses coming in. Now, for these reasons, not having enough attention, not knowing how to stay in front of people, and just losing customers to competitors daily, right now, businesses are actively looking for people who can solve this for them. Right? Businesses will always invest in someone that has an amazing way to solve this exact problem. However, we have to be transparent here. And again, let me know if this sounds familiar. You probably tried, starting an agency service. You maybe have some AI tools, marketing tools, content tools, and you might have ran into this where you want to help these businesses, but you don't know exactly what service to provide. You have a ton of different tools that can do a ton of different things. And worst of all, you might still not have any clients coming in or not any traction from any business wanting to work with you. Now, if this is your reality right now, I want you to know you came to the right place. But let me know first, just give me a quick yes if this is the case, if this sounds familiar. There we go. Yes, it's coming in, Anthony. Exactly, that's why I'm here. Perfect. You hit the nail right on the head. There you go. Now, it's not your fault and you came to the right place because the problem is you don't have an easy to install AI offer that businesses desperately need. Answer the following question, right? Who do you think, just give me an A or B, who do you think makes the most money online? Is it the person that's trying to sell, online information and digital services, which is fine, you can definitely make money with that? Or is it B, a person selling custom tailored apps that impact the business? Who do you think makes more money or the most money, A or B? There you go, B, custom apps, B, exactly, right? Now, AI apps are therefore right now the fastest path to creating a wildly profitable income and business in 2026. I'm going to show you exactly why that is. There's a huge shift happening, and I'm also going to show you how to easily capitalize on this even if you have 0 clients, 0 followers. You can see people right here. Now I started a 40K a month powered recruiting app, for less than 50 bucks. I'm making 25K a month right now. Now, the app I built in 12 hours now makes 15K a month. I mean, it is phenomenal what you can do if you have the ability to create custom apps. Now, information and services are becoming a commodity, right? Let me know if you agree. We've seen this all over where anyone can look anything up right now with, GPT. Any type of information you want, you can go to any of the language models, ask, learn, and educate yourself. And for that very reason, you can also, get a lot of things done on these particular apps. Now, therefore, businesses now value custom AI apps over anything else, simply because that is something they can't easily do. They don't really know how, and it is a skill set right now that is so high in demand. People are buying AI apps that save time, money, and expertise, and the shift from commodity and services and information is turning beginners into profitable app owners daily. Literally, people doing 30K a month with their apps, cloning 3 apps, and now I'm doing 35K a month, 12K a month, passive app income. It is phenomenal. Now, this is exactly what Dr. Meat and Engineer Tool have been solving behind the scenes. I know they've been working on this for quite some time now, and it's finally out. I mean, the case studies, the beta testers, they're crushing it. I can't wait to get into their stories, but more importantly, the data that backs this up, because everything that you'll be seeing here today is backed and proven by data. Because they created an agent that generates beginners a recurring income without having to do all the work. In one of the most hottest and in-demand markets right now, having an agent for this type of stuff right now is quite frankly unheard of, and they made it possible. Meaning, what if I told you that after this training, you will own a unique app agent that goes ahead and gets paying clients from day one? It builds fully functioning apps for you. It works for any type of business, runs on complete autopilot, and it gets businesses happily paying you to install this. Meaning, when you take action today, you will own AI agents that makes businesses throw money at you after a simple demo. They combine some of the most smart and powerful AI tools to create the most lucrative apps online that have businesses drooling over wanting them. I'm going to show you exactly why and how that is. You will have the fastest path to an AI service, an AI offer that will get you paying clients. I'm gonna give you the exact blueprint to that. And quite frankly, all you have to do is just send them the app. The moment they see it, they're sold. And this will allow you to finally experience what it's like to have an irresistible offer. Now, the best part about what I'm going to show you is it actually searches for the most profitable apps for you, so you don't have to, figure out what to create. But more importantly, you don't need any skills or sales skills. You don't need marketing skills. You don't need tech skills. You don't need leads. You literally just send custom apps to a business, and they'll respond immediately, asking you, how much will it take for us to take this? How much will you charge? You'll have inquiries coming in left, right, and center. And that's why this is not just information, what we're about to share with you. This is transformation. So let me know if this makes sense so far. Let me know if you understand the shift that's happening from, information and commoditized services to custom AI apps, a high valuable asset that every business wants. And I'm going to show you more in depth why and how that is. There we go. I see lots of yeses coming in. Now, with that being said, who is staying until the end? Because if you're staying until the end, comment the word yes in the chat box right now, and you'll get an attendance bonus package, something that's only available if you comment the word yes right now and actually proceed to stay until the end, and then you'll get something in the mail afterwards. So there you go. I see lots of yeses. Even if you haven't commented thus far, make sure you comment yes. We always send out in the email amazing stuff, so make sure you do. There we go. And regardless, it's going to be time well spent, because we're going to cover 3 of the most important things today. That's number 1, the new agency model. You're going to see the brand new way to leverage AI and generate over $10,000 in sales without needing to be an expert at anything. I'm also going to show you how to effortlessly get recurring clients that pay you ongoingly. And more importantly, because you're on this webinar, you're about to witness the biggest discount and the biggest bang for your buck, something we're only doing for the live webinar. Now, I can't emphasize this strongly enough. It's always the best advice to show up to the live webinar. That's where you get the biggest bonuses, the biggest discounts, and more importantly, you can ask questions, get educated, and we're going to do something extra special here today. We're going to unlock some things that won't be available for anyone else outside of this webinar. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let me know if you're excited. And let's dive right into the new agency model, because it's no big secret that the new wave of success stories will be ruled by AI agencies. I mean, that's a given right now. If you're an agency or a service provider, or you want to make money online in any way or form, and you're not leveraging AI, then you might as well forget it. Now, even though we noticed that people that are using AI are still stuck with the same results. Let me know if that's you, or if you've realized this as well, that regardless, you're using the latest AI tools, you're out there, you have amazing services to offer, regardless, the results are not what you have been desiring. And if this sounds familiar, just drop a quick yes in the chat. You spend a lot of money on AI tools to provide services to clients. For some reason, no matter how much you post or the amount of value you possess right now, because I do believe you've a lot of great things to offer, the clients still don't seem to come, and you've tried different AI tools without seeing more income. And I want you to understand that the problem is, right now, everybody is using AI to sell the same offers. The majority, the vast majority, is selling copywriting services, content and media services, and chatbot services. Now, they're still lucrative. You can still make money with them, right? They're great services. However, we have to be honest and say they are mass competitive, especially with all the AI tools coming out, especially when it comes to social media asset creation and video creation, image generation, digital advertising, website creation, designs, logos. I mean, these AI tools become so powerful that it becomes extremely competitive for a person to come in and offer this as a service when the business owner can practically do it themselves. So the question is, how do you stand out from the competition? When you're a beginner looking to scale, how do you make sure you have such an irresistible offer? And that is the key phrase. You see, the most successful agencies, the agencies that are making money from day one, all have one thing in common. They have an irresistible offer. Something that the business looks at, it's tangible, and they immediately want it. The moment they see it, you don't even have to explain it to them. You don't even have to persuade them or convince them. They see it, they know they need it, they know they want it. And after doing deep research, what we realized next was shocking. Now, first, answer the following question. What, at the end of the day, and this is probably one of the most important things, what is the number one thing that every business really wants? At the end of the day, when we strip everything away, what does a business really want? And if you can help them get more of it, they'll happily pay you. Let me have a look at the chat. What does a business really want at the end of the day? Everything is just a means to an end to get that. There we go. Clients, sales, traffic, leads, clients, buyers, money. Exactly. All of those answers are spot on, right? It all is one form of getting customers, buyers, clients, income. Now, their customers, their buyers, basically everyone out there, where does the majority spend their attention daily? Is it A, they're mostly on their phone throughout the day? Or is it B, they're inside all day on their laptop? A or B? Let me know in the chat box. I actually asked this exact question to a business owner recently, and they're like, I can't believe I haven't thought of this myself. But let me know, A or B, mostly on their phone, or throughout the day, mostly on their laptop. A or B, there we go, phone. Exactly, it is without a doubt phone, right? There's lots of data and studies to back this up. As a matter of fact, because of this very reason, the mobile app market is booming like never before. And when I say booming, I'm saying if you can build an app right now, you are guaranteed to make money. You can see right here, artificial intelligence has fundamentally changed how we use our smartphones. Instead of, reducing screen time, AI integration has increased overall usage and sparked a massive surge in new app development. Users now rely heavily, right? Screen time, mobile usage has gone up more than ever. You can even see by the deep view, great article here, AI apps are eating the smartphone up, right? From 213 million downloads before to, 3.8 billion. We're obsessed with apps now that they have AI integrations. And because of this, and this is where it gets real, having your own app as a business, and especially local businesses, mom and pop stores, small businesses, coaches, personal trainers, realtors, car dealers, you name it, having your own app has become just as important as having your own website. You have to be where the audience is all the time, and they're always on their phone. Now, going back to the conversation, it was funny. I asked a person, do you have what are some of your favorite apps on your phone of businesses you shop with? Or, what are apps you use to buy things? Well, I buy from this business, I have this app, they had this app for, the membership to their gym. And they're running a business themselves on the side. So you use the apps of these businesses because you're a client of them and it keeps you related to the business. How come your customers, your clients, your consumers don't have an app of your business to make sure they stay with you? Why don't you live on the number one device they carry with them 24/7? They sleep with it, they eat with it, they wake up with it. Why are you not next to them as an icon on that very device? And the moment it clicked, it's done. For this very reason, businesses are excessively investing in buying AI apps. You don't even have to explain it to them. Right now, more than ever, businesses are buying into getting custom apps developed. You can see right here, McKinsey & Company, demand for AI apps is experiencing an explosive growth driven by enterprise needs for automation, efficiency, and personalized experiences alongside consumer adoption. Right here, the AI app market size is surging. Yahoo Finance, the mobile application market set to soar. The demand is here. Simple economics, supply and demand. When demand goes up, there's a lot of money to be made. And right now, having your own unique software application, being able to make that for a business, saying, oh, you're a personal trainer, I'll make an app for you. Oh, you're this type of business, I'll make an app for you. Not the apps we used to use back in 2020, 2027. I'm talking AI-powered apps. Apps that are on par with the level of app usage that people are experienced with today. Not some old, outdated app like back in the day. It's back in a whole new jacket. People want responsive apps, AI-powered apps, and most businesses have nothing near that. Now, being able to build and sell custom-made applications, therefore, is extremely profitable. You can see right here, solo developers are using AI, no-code builders, and are frequently generating 1,000 to 20,000 a month recurring revenue by solving specific niches and singular problems for businesses. Now, the AI app sector experiencing massive expansion, creating significant revenue earning opportunities for developers and businesses. The stats and demand are there. It's irrefutable proof. Now, the question is, why is not everyone doing this? Well, to create an app normally, a really good app, AI powered, not some, drag and drop simple app, but something that somebody would actually want on their phone, especially something that would benefit a business's consumers and customers, requires a lot of time and money. Testing the app, creating the app, and then obviously all the copywriting into it, building the content around it, hosting it, feature development. There's so much to learn and do. It's a never-ending cycle. And even that, it takes at least $2,000 per month to even create and host an app, using a ton of different, nowadays of these tools, because they know how lucrative the industry has become. Now, that is all about to change because of these two gentlemen right here. They combined the most powerful apps, like the Avengers of all the apps, and turned it into a recurring income machine, an AI app builder that can literally provide anything a business requires. Fully hosted, ready, and fully functioning for usage nonstop. Amit and Atul have created a state-of-the-art AI system that creates wildly profitable apps that businesses love to buy. Like I said, all you have to do is send them a demo of it and they'll want it immediately. They've been spending a whole year creating a hyper-intelligent agent that generates recurring app income. Because if you've ever tried creating apps in the past, it required a lot of drag and dropping, a lot of technicalities. You have to go in this rigid, app builder format. Now, an agent builds a fully functioning app for any type of business, left, right, and center. Now, let me ask you a question. Imagine you have access to the newest technology in AI today that creates successful custom apps instantly. Knowing how lucrative, seriously, it's the opportunities, I haven't seen a more lucrative opportunity in the last, I'd say, year than this right now. The custom app market is highly lucrative, particularly if you focus on B2B. Literally, creating an app for a business for them to use for their consumers. Now, right here, I made this offline app 100% written in English, already doing 1.5k a month gross. You can see right here, that's 2.15k Australian dollars. Now, do you see yourself, if you had this power, making tons of more money if you had backdoor access to the B2B custom app space? The businesses that needed the exact workflows, the exact client outreach, the app builder, the agent that does it all for you, and literally just clients in a pipeline are ready and waiting for their app, happily to pay you, because they know once they have their app, the customers will stick with them longer. They can sell more from within the app. They can, on top of that, increase brand awareness. The benefits are through the roof. Let me know in the chat box. Just comment yes. Do you see yourself making tons of more money if you had backdoor access to the custom app space in a whole new empowering way using AI? Pay very close attention, because that's exactly what Snap Apps AI is made for. Now, this is revolutionary, an absolute must-have if you want to step up your agency, your surface, and be unique and stand out and actually have something that's highly in demand, something that's tangible and impresses businesses. I mean, every time we show it to our clients, right now it's a standard, every time we show it to our clients with any service we have, we always ask, do you have an app for your business? If they say no, immediately we develop an app with the agent, we showcase it, this is yes, throw that in there, and it's an instant client close. Comment, I want this, if you want to see this firsthand. Comment, I want this, and without further ado, let's go ahead and have an inside look. I see, I want this, Anthony, I want this, there we go, John, I want this, amazing, Lisa, I want this, perfect.
What if the app you've always dreamed about could finally become real, without you ever writing a single line of code? No coding, no designers, no developers, no tech skills you don't have. You don't do the hard work anymore. Your AI agent does it all for you. Meet Snap Apps AI. You simply tell your AI agent what you want, and it builds, designs, brands, and publishes a complete web app for you. No code, no design skills, no hosting headaches. Just the apps, the clients, and the income you got into this for. Let's see it for yourself. This is your Snap Apps AI dashboard, the command center where every app you'll ever build begins. From this one screen, simply describe any application in plain English, and Snap Apps AI builds it instantly, live, interactive, and ready to ship. And prefer talking instead of typing? Just hit the microphone and bring your idea to life with your voice. Choose the AI model that best fits your project, then generate your app in seconds. And here's the best part. Connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click. Not sure where to begin? Jumpstart your project with ready-made, popular starters ready to go. One click and you're already building. Let's say I want to build an online store. I simply type what I want. A modern e-commerce website with products, a cart, and checkout, and click Generate App. It's analyzing your prompt, generating the components, applying the design, and finalizing your app. Our app is generated instantly, complete with professionally designed layouts, stunning visuals, icons, text, images, buttons, forms, QR codes, links, and everything your app needs. You don't have to build anything manually. Snap Apps AI takes care of it all. Preview your app instantly across desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure it looks perfect on every device. Want to make changes? Just tell the AI in plain English. Update layouts, colors, sections, features, or even entire pages, and watch every change appear live in the preview. Need complete control? Open the code editor to customize every detail exactly the way you want. Or you can copy your full source code, extend your project, or continue development in your favorite IDE with complete ownership. When everything looks perfect, hit publish, and your app is live, ready to share with the world in seconds. And just like that, your app is live, complete with a shareable link, QR code, and a fully responsive experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Share it instantly. Keep improving it with AI. Customize every detail in the code editor, from a simple idea to a live app, in just minutes with Snap App's AI. But building doesn't stop here. What if you could create apps without even opening your laptop or PC? Just connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click, and your Snap AI agent is always with you. Whether you're at home, traveling, or waiting in line, simply send a message from your phone, and your app starts building instantly. You send one message to your Snap agent, and your app starts building. One command, one AI agent, total control right in your pocket. Because when the power to build software fits in your hand, you can create anywhere life takes you. Once your app is live, it's automatically saved to your My Apps dashboard, keeping all your projects organized in one place. Quickly find any application using search, or filter your projects by all, live, or draft. Need to make changes? Edit your app anytime, preview it instantly, publish new updates with a click, or remove projects you no longer need. Everything you build is always just one click away, ready to manage, update, and launch whenever you need it. Now, we've built an app, but you might be wondering, what if I don't have an app idea? Or I don't even own a website? That's where Snap App's AI truly stands out. It's not just an AI app builder, it's a complete business platform designed to help you earn. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, entrepreneur, or just getting started, Snap App's AI gives you everything you need to create, launch, and sell digital products. Build websites and apps for your clients, deliver projects faster, and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for your work. With Snap App's AI, you're not just building applications, you're building a real business. And if you don't want to build everything from scratch, Snap App's AI has you covered. Get access to 30+ professionally designed, done-for-you templates ready to customize, brand, and launch in minutes. From e-commerce stores and SaaS platforms to portfolios, restaurants, booking systems, CRMs, and more, simply choose a template, make it your own, and publish with just a few clicks. Skip the hard work, save hours of development time, and start delivering projects or launching your own business faster than ever. And that's just the beginning. If you're planning to build an agency, Snap App's AI gives you everything you need to run it like a professional. Manage clients, organize your team, enable white label branding, and close more deals with ready-to-use DFY client proposals. Get Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork profile templates to start attracting clients faster. Create professional invoices, collect client feedback and video approvals, and even generate monthly delivery reports, all from one dashboard. With White Label, make the platform truly yours. Upload your logo, customize your branding, colors, and domain, and deliver a fully branded experience to your clients. They see your business, not ours. And Domain, connect your own custom domain in just a few clicks. Simply enter your domain name and your app is live on your own branded website. And settings, everything is managed from one centralized settings panel. Manage your workspace, upgrade your subscription, access step-by-step tutorials, unlock exclusive bonuses, and get support whenever you need it. No complicated setup. Everything you need to grow your business is just a click away. And that completes your Snap Apps AI tour. From idea to launch, from apps to business, everything you need is in one platform. Start building, start growing, and turn your ideas into reality with Snap Apps AI.
Wow, wow, wow. Who here absolutely loved what they just saw and wants their own Snap App AI agent? There you go. I see lots of yes coming in. Where's the link? I want this. This is going to help my agency so much. There you go. Wow, it's amazing, easy to use. It's very beginner friendly, exactly. And more importantly, it's so easy to sell this because it's very tangible. You don't have to explain this. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and go into secret number 2. The new agency models, what we just discussed. Let me know if that made sense. If you understand how this unique surface, empowered by AI right now, allows you to get your foot in the door a lot easier, increase your prices, but on top of that, just get clients overall. And I'm going to speak exactly about that because let me tell you a little secret. Getting buyers, people that want to pay you, has become the most easiest part with Snap Apps, right? Anything that's demonstrative, so demonstrative, becomes very easy to sell when a person can actually hold it, use it, apply it. Now, right now, on top of that, we are living in the highest record ever of new businesses starting. You can see right here, highest year on record, 137,000 businesses every single day. In the US alone, 137,000 businesses. The clients are up for grabs. You can see right here, the demand for custom B2C applications is surging. Oh, let me go back here to the presentation. Is surging as brands seek to own the customer experience, right? Brands want to own the customer experience. It's literally the demand for it. It's so high that getting clients when you are able to do this is the easiest part of anything. And the reason for this is to explain it properly. A custom app fulfills what every single business wants. That's why it's so darn easy to land clients with this. And I mean, within 24 to 48 hours, you'll have your first apps done and sold and getting you paid recurringly. Simply because app creates brand awareness, something every business wants. It creates client retention, again, something every business wants. It creates lead generation, something every business wants. It creates sales opportunities, every business wants. And on top of that, we live in the highest year on record of businesses starting. Just delivering an app to them, showing them, hey, notice you just started your business. I created a custom app for you. The first thing they'll ask, oh, wow, how much? How much? All you have to do next is make a good price. Oh, it's just $250 a month. Oh, it's $500 a month. You'll have clients standing in line because you created something custom to them, not a one-size-fits-all, not something they have to wait to see results with or get results with, but something that's instantly applicable for them in their business. And they're willing to pay over the odds to anyone who can make a tailored custom AI app for them. And that's why providing apps for local businesses is printing money. You can see Serhi right here doing 10K, Kanika doing 60K already, Maria doing 90K plus already, Max doing over $500,000. Now, the simple 3-step AI app agency is this. You create a hyper custom Snap app. You let the AI agent do all the work. You don't lift a finger, you don't code, you just tell the agent, here's the business, here's what's they're about, create the best possible app with the best utilities that make sense for that business. From there, you send it to the business for them to experience it. Saying, hey, I love your business. Now, I couldn't help but create an app for it. I noticed you're not on the App Store. I'll be ashamed because probably, as you know, most people are on their phones just like you. So I created an app for your business. They love it. Boom. You get paid recurringly for your app. It's the easiest offer to sell. I've sold a lot of things. I've sold affiliate offers. You know, I've multiple agencies myself. I've been in some of the most competitive spaces. Apps. The moment I show them, hey, I noticed you're not on the App Store, you're running a business, you have customers, they all have phones, they're all on their phone, just like you, just like me. We need to be where the attention is. The attention is on the phone, and therefore you need to live on their phone as well. I created a custom app that makes sense for you and your customers. Let me know if you like it, and I'll make you a good deal. Their only response is, well, how much? Now, heck, you can even create an app to sell your own affiliate offers or your own products and services. You can pick any affiliate offer that is launching and actually pick, an app that can sell these affiliate offers for you. Do you see how having a hyper intelligent, done for you white label app builder powered by AI, the most powerful AI, generates a recurring income for you? Comment yes in the chat box if that makes sense. Give me a yes in the chat box if you can see that, how a hyper intelligent, done for you white label app builder generates a recurring income. There we go. Lots and lots of yeses coming in. That's it for secret number 3 or 2. With that being said, I can't wait for you to get results. Honestly, the moment you grab this is the moment everything starts becoming so much easier. Without further ado, who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special webinar deal? Let me know in the chat box who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special webinar deal. There you go. Lots and lots of yeses coming in. Now, here's everything you're getting. You're getting the Snap Apps AI Premium account. Now, this includes the ability to build a working app just by chatting. It's never been easier. Again, if you've been, if you're familiar with building apps in any way or form, it's usually, you have to go into the wireframe. It is a whole tech hell. Now, you literally chat, like having a conversation with a friend, and your app gets built in front of your eyes. You send one Telegram command to build a working app. You just go in, message it, say, hey, listen, I want a modern coffee shop mobile app. Great, give me some details. Boom. Then it creates the app left, right, and center. On top of that, the app is live in seconds, ready to use, ready to download, fully functioning, fully hosted. You can edit your chat by your app by chatting with AI. If there's a summer sale or a special occasion or some business changes or a product has changed or they're adding something new, you can tell the app and it will make those changes on the spot and it's immediately live. Now you can build these apps right from your phone, which is even more powerful. It's powered by advanced AI out of the box. Now, nothing like this out there is available. Most, if not all, AI app builders are very complex. This is an agent-powered app. All the other app builders require you to go in, you to have knowledge about app building in the first place. Yes, they try to make it as easy as possible, but they'll charge you a lot of credits, plus they expect you to be reasonably experienced. With this right here, you'll have the biggest bang for your buck, allowing you to use this, quite frankly, unlimitedly, and you don't need any experience whatsoever to create the most beautiful functioning apps that people actually want to use. Now, on top of that, you don't need any zero tech skills. You don't need any skills for it to actually go live, because the moment you create the app, it's immediately live and ready. I mean, if you know, once again, anything about building apps, building it is one thing, and then trying to get it live is another whole process. These are immediately up and running, no coding needed. Now, it doesn't stop there, because on top of this, you're also getting everything you need to customize and launch it right away. Meaning you have the built-in app editor for full control, 10 done-for-you app templates that we already designed for different niches that you can immediately adjust and deploy. All your apps in one simple dashboard. The apps come fully hosted, once again, secure maintenance, free hosting, and the add lead forms to any app function allows you to collect leads, or allows the business to collect leads as well. Now, on top of that, you have the ability to create branded apps for any business or niche. What this means is they're 100% white label, your brand, your logo, or the business's brand, the business's logo, free commercial license, and 0 monthly fees. So I'll repeat that one more time. That is 100% white label and free commercial license with 0 monthly fees. There's nothing like this out there that will allow you to do this. Let me know in the chat box who here is loving everything they're getting so far. You're moments away from being able to walk up to any business and just send one message with a fully functioning app and watch them come back crawling, asking and begging you what it would take for them to actually buy it from you. Let me know in the chat box. Now, again, we have full training on that, and that's something I want to get into next. I see people will see super excited. Yes, there you go. Can't wait to try this out. This will go perfect with my services. Awesome. Now, because you're on this webinar, it's going to get even better. you will unlock the full bundle upgrade at an insane webinar only discount. I'm talking the biggest discount that we'll ever do for this, only on this very webinar. Now, the bundle upgrade, who wants the biggest bang for their buck, which will allow you to see results literally within 24 to 48 hours, because quite honestly, you can have an app up and running immediately after this webinar, and we have all the protocols and roadmaps out there to immediately get it sold. We have the client onboarding, we have the entire agency setup. Who wants to see everything they're getting? There you go, I love it. All right, let me go ahead and show you. Thousands of everyday people are earning big bucks. You can see right here, charging $15,000 for fully built out setup, has 47 reviews, meaning 47 people. You do the math. Right here, I'll build a Copilot and agent right here, $10,000. I'll console and build an AI SaaS or micro SaaS, 9.5. I'll build your AI app, 5K. I mean, the app market is crazy. I built a $1 million app in 5 hours. Insane. Right here, 37K a month, 50K a month. When I say the market for this is booming, I haven't seen this much of a surge in such a long time. Obviously, at the start of the AI boom, but now the app side of things is in such high demand. Not the surfaces anymore, not the information, but the custom AI-powered apps, consumer apps for businesses is insane. So, with that being said, I mean, the team worked really hard on, tapping into this market, making it possible, getting the results, proving it, and you're about to witness, the shortcut to this. So here's what you're going to get. I'm going to put it on here. You'll be able to, once again, send one Telegram command, build a fully working app, instant live app preview in seconds, edit your app just by chatting with AI, built-in app editor for full control, powered by the advanced AI out of the box. Now, 100% white label apps, your brand and your logo. You have, I'm going to tell you something about this. Because you're on this webinar, you don't even have to worry about any credits. I'm going to speak more about that in a second. Now, it works seamlessly with any device. Now, collect and automate tons of leads using top integrations. Apps come fully hosted, done for you app templates, all your apps in one simple dashboard, create multilingual software apps for global reach. And on top of that, build for any niche, whether it's the coaching. We recently had an app built for a relationship coach, which he absolutely loves. E-commerce, local business, marketing, any type of business, especially e-commerce, they love it. Any type of business, contractors, you can build apps for. Realtors, pet stores, nail salons, spas, any type of business. You don't need any tech skills, free commercial license, dedicated support team, and secure and maintenance-free hosting. Now, because you're on this webinar, and you saw earlier, normally you only get 10,000 credits, so you can only build a limited amount of apps. When you grab this on the webinar, you immediately get upgraded to the unlimited. Now, normally the unlimited comes with a monthly fee. Now, because you're on this webinar, you're going to get access to the unlimited instantly without any recurring fees. Meaning you'll be able to create unlimited apps, unlimited workspaces to work with different businesses like, the realtors, the e-commerce businesses, the coaching businesses, the marketing businesses, the photography businesses. And on top of that, right here, you can see unlimited Telegram commands, so you can, talk unlimitedly with the agent, unlimited custom domains, premium template library that we prepared for you only for our unlimited users, all future templates included, because we keep building apps and creating new templates. We're going to upload them into your account. Priority app processing, so your app loads faster and also gets built faster. Unlimited client projects. Now you get additional credits to never hit a limit. You have unlimited monetization, high priority support, and continuous platform updates. Now, this is only when you grab this on the webinar. We can't do this for people outside of the webinar. This is only for you right here. Now, you're also going to get the enterprise level. And the enterprise level allows you to go global. And this is, where you really start earning the big bucks. You see, this gives you advanced premium AI models, one-click AI model switching. So you have the most lucrative and powerful apps. Now, one-click source code export. Some businesses ask for the source code, which is very valuable. It's like the IP. Now, most app builders won't give you that. Now you'll actually be able to export that in a matter of a click. You can create apps in any language, 80 plus languages inside the app, 2 terabytes of hosting. 2 terabytes of hosting. Normally, hosting an app alone will cost you a lot recurringly. You get free hosting of 2 terabytes. That's more than enough for an infinite amount of apps. Now, premium output quality and all our future AI models included, meaning when there's new models of Gemini, Claude, Llama coming out, it's immediately integrated into your Snap Apps account. Now, here's my favorite part, the traffic. Now, let me ask you, who here is loving what they're getting so far? You're getting the fastest track to having a recurring income with custom AI apps. This is something that sets your agency to a whole new level with absolute ease. And all you have to do is give away free apps and you're set. There you go. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, you just give a demo, not a free app. You just give a demo. Yeah, perfect. Awesome, love it. Yeah, just send over a demo. Just say, hey, I built this for you, sorry company. Let me know if you like it. Love to hear your advice. Boom. You get 100% reply rate. Sweet, can't wait to try it. Perfect. Now, with that being said, here is the most fun part, the Snap Apps AI traffic. This is where you're gonna have full autoresponder integration, CRM integration, so all the leads can come into your email list for your own apps as well as for business apps. Now, advanced lead capture form, so you can even segment the leads accordingly. Instant lead notification, so whenever a lead comes in, you get the proper notification or the business got it. One-click export all the leads. You can connect it to over a ton of other tools if you want to. And to make it even easier, we're going to actually do it all for you. To make it easier, we're actually going to do it all for you. What that means is you have a complete hands-free setup. We're going to give you a dedicated account manager. Our teams come in, set up your entire Snap Apps AI account from start to finish. You don't have to, think, oh, I just got this, where do I start? We come in and get you started. We're gonna give you a dedicated account manager dedicated to your account ID, somebody that helps you from day one. You get your first batch of AI apps built by us for you in the most lucrative spaces. You get a fully configured Claw agent that is ready to make you money. Now you get branding and white label setup, so it's completely all you, your brand, custom domain setup, lead forms and autoresponder integration, premium done for you templates, profitable niche research. So we're not just creating apps at random and hoping something sticks. We're looking at what is the demand, what do businesses want, which businesses need an app, which businesses right now that we can look up do not have an available app in the App Store. What kind of app should we create for them? It does the due diligence. Now, complete AI agency setup, and on top of that, client-ready dashboard, and we're going to give you a priority one-on-one onboarding call. Listen, our goal is for you to earn with this. We want to dominate the AI app state. This is relatively new compared to all the other AI advances that have been happening. Right now, the app side of things, and specifically B2B consumer apps, are getting a brand new daylight, where businesses are realizing, oh wait, everybody's on their phone. We need to be there with them, not with some outdated drag and drop app, but with an AI powered app. Now, when you can provide this to businesses, you can make a lot of money, and we want to be the reason for that. We want to be the go-to in this space, and that's why we're going all out by giving you the hand-holding, even an account manager that we put on our payroll. We go one-on-one on an onboarding call, making sure you generate the revenue, you get the clients, and you capture the leads. Long story short, you'll have everything you need to make this a success. And if that's not enough, we're going to give you a fully built out agency. Now, when we said we want you to succeed, that was not just something we're saying for the sake of saying it. We're going to allow you to sell Snap Apps under your own brand and actually manage unlimited clients. You're going to get an unlimited white label license, unlimited client and agency license, unlimited reseller license, custom client domains, built-in client management system, reseller sales kit with all of our sales pages, all of our email swipes, and on top of that, a dedicated team access, and you can create client accounts in a matter of 3 clicks, allowing you to say, hey, listen, I notice you need an app. I can actually have an agent that builds them out for you. I can create you an account. If you like it, you pay me X amount of month. Now we already have all the reseller details here that allows you to sell this with ease, even show you where the clients are that already want to buy this, and this right here sells like hotcakes. If that's not enough, we're gonna give you a full done for you AC kit with all of our contracts, our proposals, our invoices that are plug and play. And of course, we're giving you instant start and premium support. I want you to understand you're not alone. From day one, there's someone with you, making sure this is a huge success. We've gone all out on the support this time. Not just an amazing tool, but also making sure you have the help. You feel helped, and you have someone that makes sure this works from day one. Not after 30 days, not after 2 weeks, but from day one, apps are being built, clients are inquiring, and you start profiting. Now, who here is loving this dedication? This takes a lot of effort, and we've pulled a lot of strings, got a lot of team members on, right? Let me know if you appreciate it, if you love it. And because you're on this webinar, we're going to do something extra special. And this is something, obviously, everything that I'm showing here is stuff we can only do on the webinar, right? Outside of this webinar, that would completely exhaust us. You're our special webinar attendees. You are the top of the top, our ambassadors. And in this case, we're going to make sure you're treated like royalty and get you the results you deserve. So with that being said, when you grab this today, you keep 100% of what you charge. You can monitor all client activity, and we're gonna give you some amazing fast action bonuses, such as your live training that I'll be conducting with you. We're gonna log in, build apps together, land clients together. I'm gonna show you how to build your first app for businesses and how to actually get the business to buy it from you. I'm gonna do that over the shoulder with you live on screen. Now, you can scale to 6 figures with this AI app business. I'm going to show you the scaling roadmap. I'm going to give you the full white label agency blueprint and a client growth and lead generation masterclass. Whether you already have an agency or a service, or you're doing, affiliate marketing or something else, this is cash flow that is ready to be earned. Now, with that being said, let me break down once again everything you're getting here today. You're getting the Snap Apps AI special access. On top of that, the unlimited upgrade, only available on this webinar. You're getting the enterprise level, which gives you global domination access, the traffic access, the Snap Apps done for you with a dedicated account manager, fully set up account, and done for you apps built in the most profitable research niches for you. Now, the Snap App Instant Agency and our fast action webinar only bonuses. Now I'll ask it one more time. Who here is loving everything that they're getting access to? This has taken so much time, energy, power, dedication, and team to put together. If you go to any other AI, app builder tool out there, they won't give you half, not even a quarter of what you're seeing here. You're happy if you can build one app and you get some access before they charge you through the nose for credits. We're going above and beyond, even giving you a real person, an onboarding call, making sure you're taken care of from start to finish. And that's why I'm super excited about this, if you couldn't tell already, because opportunities like these don't happen that often. They don't. There's a lot of great tools. I talk about a lot of great tools. I see a lot of great tools, but every now and then there's one of them that's just a massive opportunity that whoever's smart enough to move instantly start seeing massive results. And that's what you're seeing right here. Now, for that very reason, we initially figured to charge $997, because let's face it, that's more than worth it. $1,000 to have this level of access with ongoing updates, ongoing done for you templates, dedicated account manager, team manager support, unlimited apps in a market that is booming right now, that is a no-brainer. But even that we're not going to do. We figured to do half off, $497. That is a steal, less than $500 to have an unlimited app builder, agent powered in the most modern fashion. And yet we're not going to do that as well. Only if you comment live. Comment the word live in the chat. Only if you comment live, we're going to give away a live discount. Only to the people that are here, only to the people that live, and only to the people that take action right away. Meaning, if you comment live, there we go. I see lots of people commenting live. The chat is going crazy. Lots of people commenting live. If you comment live, there you go. Anthony, I see you. Frederick, I see you. George, Lars, I see you. Now, Ali, instead of 497, we're going to drop it down even lower to 367. And if you know us, you know we like to do something extra crazy. When you grab it on this webinar right now to make it the ultimate deal, we're going to hand out first come, first served. And I already see a ton of people. 50 live coupons to take it even lower. I can't even believe it. But guys, you'll be making this money back with your first app instantly. Just 267. Just 267. You have a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Use it and abuse it to its maximum extent. See it from the inside out. Build the apps. Let the AI agent do it for you. Come to the live training. Watch how easy it is to land clients and get paid. And then decide if you still want to keep it. The link is in the chat. Go ahead and grab it right now. It's first come, first served. And let me tell you this, 267 once for lifetime access is only on this webinar. Outside of this webinar, we simply cannot do that. Remember, you're getting the special access, the unlimited, the enterprise, the traffic, the done for you, the instant agency, and the webinar bonuses where we're going to go live, build an app together, sell it together. This is unheard of, but only if you grab it right now, you can start profiting in one of the most in-demand markets. And again, the proof is in the pudding. I can go right here, our mobile apps in massive demand right now. Press enter. You can see right here, mobile apps are in massive demand with the global market expected to reach well over 300 billion and approaching a trillion. Right, guys, you're in an upswing. When a market is booming, which right now is taking off, it's time to get your fair share of the pie. Right? The AI-powered productivity, it simply allows the app world right now to experience a whole new level of growth. Now, with this, you're able to capitalize on that. While other people are selling, the same old AI services, you're smarter by having a foot in the door, saying, and here's what one of our clients even does. They give away free apps just to get the business's attention, saying, hey, I built an app for your business. I'd love for you to look at it. And then from there, they sell them all kinds of services. And since we built an app for you, we also do websites. We also do copywriting. We also do email. We also do video and image and content. They take that app as a unique foot in the door because they know that's something that will make the business pay attention. And from there, they upsell all the other offers. Now, everybody spends time on their phone for the majority of the day. It is only, evident and reasonable enough to think that the smartest place to place your business is on someone's phone. On an icon that they can see 24/7, to have brand awareness, to have them think about you, to be able to send push notifications from within the app saying, hey, we got a new sale going on. Now you'll be able to make that a reality for yourself, for others, and you have businesses happily paying you to do so. Go to the link in the chat and you'll be able to snatch this up for just 267 right now. Now when you go to the link, you'll get to this page. Simply click on the grab it now. Will take you here. And you'll see the complete package that you're getting. The commercial, the unlimited, the enterprise, the traffic, the done for you, the AC. What normally would cost you over $1,200 or close to $1,200, you're now getting not even a 367, but a lower fee if you use the coupon code early100 because you're an early bird, you're here on the live, you're smart enough to show up. And remember, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so please just try it out. You got nothing to lose. I'm saying this for your own good because I know, simple economics, supply and demand. If you want to have the upside, if you want to be early at something, leverage your 30-day money-back guarantee to at least try it out, because I know for a fact once you have Snap Apps AI, you'll be able to dominate with any type of service and agency because you have an amazingly powerful foot in the door. Now click on buy now. That will take you to the order form right here. Now on this order form, you can see the discount coupon is already applied for me. All I have to do is put in my name, email, and then I can choose to either check out with credit card. And if I do so, note that the credit card form will pop up at the bottom. So here, or if I click on PayPal, then the PayPal box will pop up. Now you can still see once again 30-day return policy, and I emphasize this because I want you to know, at least try this out. It's less than $300 for something that will allow you to create the most beautiful and lucrative apps. Like I said, we've built apps for, the most powerful businesses that never thought they needed an app, and the moment they saw it, they knew it all made sense to them. I can show you right here. I'll actually go, to the top of the page here. And I see people joining in as we speak, by the way. Congratulations, John. Didn't expect anything less from you, by the way. Anthony, same goes for you. Melissa, same goes for you. Steven, same goes for you. Mo, same goes for you as well. Congratulations. The bonus live training, you're going to get access to all of that. You'll see it on the inside, and you're going to get a live invite to that. Awesome. Congratulations. Can't wait to get started. Already logged in, ready to build my first app. Amazing. Action taker. I mean, guys, we have people right now going in alive. Looks great from what I can see. Amazing. Now, again, we have had, apps built for relationship a dating and matchmaking app, right? Look at how professional this looks. This is on par with, today's day and age, multi-million-dollar venture capitalist invested apps. You can now do that as a one-man army. You can see right here, you can have the profile maker. You can even build finance and investing apps, an app that tracks all the finances, an app that tracks all the markets. You can have, texting apps or relationships or coaching or dating apps. You can have shopping assistant apps, gift recommendations apps, find the perfect gift. You can have consumer-based apps left, right, and center, business-based apps left, right, and center. Apps are right now the most lucrative out there. Commoditized surfaces and information is being overthrown by regular GPT engines. That's why custom-built applications, custom-built SaaS is right now the kingpin. And positioning yourself with that first as one of your core cornerstone offers will put your agency, your business at a whole new level. Now, all of this is available at only $267, but only if you grab it right now. Normally, you'd pay hundreds of dollars for multiple apps just to build one single app. Now you can create unlimited apps just by talking to an agent, and it's less than $300. Now people are earning with this left, right, and center. And now you'll be able to do so as well. It's one of the most lucrative opportunities online right now. It's building a custom-made app. It's one of the fastest and easiest ways to go from where you are to having a consistent income. Because once again, if you haven't noticed already, most people, even though they have a lot of great AI tools, right, they're stuck with the same results. And if you can find yourself in this as well, if it sounds familiar to you that, you spend a lot of money on tools to provide services to clients and, you don't see clients coming in yet, or you have different AI tools that are not making you money, the problem is a lot of these tools are very competitive in the space. It's not that they don't work. They work great. They do exactly what they promise. But getting the clients, you need a wow factor. You need something that gets the client's attention. Now, to stand out from the competition, all successful agencies, the agencies that make money from the first client from day one, they have an irresistible offer. Now, backed by data, not opinionized, like, oh, what would be good? Like a lot of people run their business based on feeling and gut and opinions, and that might work some of the times. But the most successful ones are able to divide emotion from actual data. And the data shows right now that the app market is booming. It is booming. The data shows. The compound annual growth rate is insane, close to 30%. Now, the stats and facts show it fundamentally changed how we use our smartphones. Everybody is on their phone almost from day to night. Screen time has been spiking through the roof. Now imagine a business not capitalizing on that by having an app. Their clients come in every day, their customers come in every day, but they don't leave with an app on their phone. The next time, all they have to tell their cashier or their employee or their staff member or on their website, say, hey, don't forget to download our app. Or do you have our app yet? Or make sure to download our app. The person's already a regular. Now you have an app on their phone. You're with them all the time. They'll buy more frequently. They'll buy more consistently. You have better brand awareness. Now there's so many restaurants, businesses, local online businesses that don't have an app for their clients. I visit many stores. I shop with different stores. And I'm on my phone a lot. And they're missing out because some of my favorite stores, I know for a fact, do not have an app. And I know if they had it, I'd download it 100%. Because I'd support that business. I like that business and be more convenient for me. Having your own app has become just as important as having your own website. A custom tailored app with utility, with functions that will benefit uniquely the individual that shops with that business. Now this can happen through a variety of ways. The agent will decide the best possible app. Something that makes sense, not just another website, but an actual application. Let's say the personal trainer. You now have a personal training app. Let's say a car dealer, the car valuer app, or an app that gives you notifications on when a new car comes in, or the latest, or that gives you updates. Realtors with specific apps on neighborhoods, houses, streets, allowing a business to increase their revenue, their brand awareness, as well as some of the most important things, which is lead generation and sales, client retention. You don't even have to explain it to them. They'll happily pay you for it. Providing apps for local businesses is printing money, and that's why we're doing something extra special on this very webinar. We're here to create some insane success stories in the fastest and easiest way possible, which is through Snap Apps. But the only way to do so is by grabbing the full bundle upgrade right now. And instead of having to go through the $997 and all the annuals and the monthly recurrings, you're gonna get it all the way down for a one-time $267 just because you were smart enough to show up live. Now this is only because you're here live and only if you take action right now. Again, the link is in the chat box or question box. Make sure you grab it. I see a whole lot more people just joined in right now. I want to congratulate you once again. You've made a super wise and profitable decision. And again, you'll be able to land clients in any industry, even if you're a complete beginner. Because most online businesses struggle with having a great offer but not enough attention, don't know how to stay in front of people. Well, that's exactly what an app solves. And they're losing customers to competition. And again, that's exactly what an app solves. Business is all about solving a problem for another business. And you're doing that in one sweep in the most custom tailored way possible. There we go. I see. There you go. So agreed. This makes so much sense. Thank you for the lesson. That's all I needed to hear. Perfect. Congratulations. I'm glad. And for all, if anything, I'm not just saying this, right, just to say things. I'm actually explaining how business works, right? I run 3 agencies myself. After a lot of trial and error in the past, finally managed to crack the code. All agencies are doing phenomenal, right? Cross the 6 figures. And I'm passing down the lessons. I'm passing down the data. This is not just, opinions or, like I said earlier, gut feelings. This is what the market demands. The market decides at the end of the day. And the market is now telling you that if you're struggling with, clients coming in or selling any offers, or right, you're not seeing, the results you want to have, it's not your fault. The problem is you simply don't have an easy to install AI offer. Something you can walk to any business with and say, hey, look what I made for you. At the end of the day, when I ask, who do you think makes the most money online? People selling information and digital services, which they do make money. I'm not going to say, no, they're not making money. But if we compare it to people selling custom apps that impact businesses, AI apps are the fastest path to creating a wildly profitable business in 2026. Information and services are becoming a commodity. We've seen it. We're experiencing it in real time. Information and services are becoming a commodity. I can go to GPT, ask it anything. And that's why businesses value custom AI apps. And being in that shift right now, early, capitalizing on that is the smartest and most intelligent move you can make. Now, if you consider yourself a smart entrepreneur, a smart business person, then you know exactly what you need to do, because this shift is turning beginners, even beginners, into profitable app owners daily. And that's exactly what Dr. Mead and Engineer Tool solved behind the scenes. They created an agent that generates beginners a recurring income without doing all the work. And therefore, if you want to get the biggest bang for your buck, and by that, I mean getting access to the special access of Snap Apps AI, the unlimited upgrade, the enterprise level, the traffic access, the done for you, the instant agency, as well as the entire webinar bonus pack, which includes live training, you can grab it all for just $267. Christmas came early, half a year early, less than $300. You have a business that will generate you an income practically, within the first few days. We're gonna go ahead and do that live training and show you hands down how easy it is. And remember, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. Now, businesses are demanding apps left, right, and center. Now, we've already proven it. The data or the proof is in the pudding. I can even go to Upwork right now. Let's say I want work, explore recently posted jobs. I'm gonna show you right now, custom app. I'm just gonna type that in, keep it very broad and generic, and you'll see immediately, I need to create a paid and download app that can be installed on a user's phone. Our budget is $4,000. I'll leave it at that. I'll just leave it at that. I'll read it one more time. Right here. I need to create a paid download app that can be installed on a user's phone that will allow them to customize the response experience besides double tapping. Custom app design. Our budget is $4,000. When I told you the market is booming, that businesses are throwing money at this right now, I wasn't kidding. This is not just like any other tool or a video maker, an image maker. This is right now where fast, I'm all about, generating cash flow and understanding where cash flow moves. And right now, it's right here. Now, if you're already aligned, if you're already into AI, if you already maybe have AI tools, then this is perfect for you. Don't let, 267 stand in the way from being able to pick up easy offers like this. All you have to do is tell them, hey, let me know what you're looking for. I can build it out right now. Or better yet, give them access to your agent and have them pay you for it. Here, I'm looking to create a custom notification app. Here are the features. I'll just copy the features, give it to my agent, get paid $2,000, call it a day. Right here. Budget $2,000. I'm looking to create a custom notification apps. Here are features. It's like 4 features. I need to be able to customize the sound of the notification. I need to be able to, attach my own voice. Perfect. I'll tell the agent, here's what they want, build it out, make it beautiful, modern, make it high end, and thank you for the $2,000. When I told you, when you pick this up, getting clients will be as easy as I told you. On top of that, only on this webinar, you can get this for $267, lifetime access with all the upgrades done for you, and a dedicated account manager support, handholding, and training. The clients are already out there. I'm just going to show you, how to grab them, lead them to you. On top of that, you have the app. You can literally build your first app today immediately. The clients already want this. They're begging for it. And that's simply because of the state of the market we're in. Right? There are other services and tools out there that is a lot more competitive. Right now, businesses are throwing thousands of dollars a day asking for custom apps left, right, and center. I've just proven it to you firsthand. I can go on and on. Hey, I want a custom branded fitness timer app. I just copy the description, give it the Snap apps, and that's another client. Now I can do this all day long. If you're not willing to invest less than $300, 267, to at least try this out for 30 days without any risk, because you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, to see how much money you can make and how easy you can walk away with thousands of dollars, recurring income for managing and hosting the app, or making profits by just giving them reseller access, then you're walking away from one of the easiest AI opportunities right now. Because right now, AI is all about finding your lane. And this right here will put you in the exact lane that will get you customers and clients. And once you have them, you can upsell to any other service you might have. The link's in the chat box, so I'll leave it at that. I want to once again congratulate everyone that grabbed this. Remember, we're going to do special live training. If you're still on the fence, don't be. This is one of your last chances to grab this. Please put the link one last time in the chat for everyone to see. And with that being said, I want to say congratulations to everyone that just got in. Phenomenal decision. And again, you got nothing to lose. If you've been looking for something that can actually make you good income without all the hassle, without having to, persuade people, close them, hard sell them, spam them, chase them, something that just makes sense. The moment you show it to the business, they're like, wow, this is for me. This is perfect. I can see my people using this. How much do you want for this? And you give them a good price, it's done. Now, if you're looking for something easy, something that works, something that's in today's day and age relevant, then the answer is right in front of you. The link is in the chat box. I can't wait to see you on the live training. Grab it right now before it's too late. We only have a handful of coupons left, and I'll see you on the inside.
What if the app you've always dreamed about could finally become real, without you ever writing a single line of code? No coding, no designers, no developers, no tech skills you don't have. You don't do the hard work anymore. Your AI agent does it all for you. Meet Snap App's AI. You simply tell your AI agent what you want, and it builds, designs, brands, and publishes a complete web app for you. No code, no design skills, no hosting headaches. Just the apps, the clients, and the income you got into this for. Let's see it for yourself. This is your Snap App's AI dashboard, the command center where every app you'll ever build begins. From this one screen, simply describe any application in plain English, and Snap App's AI builds it instantly, live, interactive, and ready to ship. And prefer talking instead of typing? Just hit the microphone and bring your idea to life with your voice. Choose the AI model that best fits your project, then generate your app in seconds. And here's the best part. Connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click. Not sure where to begin? Jumpstart your project with ready-made, popular starters ready to go. One click and you're already building. Let's say I want to build an online store. I simply type what I want. A modern e-commerce website with products, a cart, and checkout, and click Generate App. It's analyzing your prompt, generating the components, applying the design, and finalizing your app. Our app is generated instantly, complete with professionally designed layouts, stunning visuals, icons, text, images, buttons, forms, QR codes, links, and everything your app needs. You don't have to build anything manually. Snap App's AI takes care of it all. Preview your app instantly across desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure it looks perfect on every device. Want to make changes? Just tell the AI in plain English. Update layouts, colors, sections, features, or even entire pages, and watch every change appear live in the preview. Need complete control? Open the code editor to customize every detail exactly the way you want. Or you can copy your full source code, extend your project, or continue development in your favorite IDE with complete ownership. When everything looks perfect, hit publish, and your app is live, ready to share with the world in seconds. And just like that, your app is live, complete with a shareable link, QR code, and a fully responsive experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Share it instantly. Keep improving it with AI. Customize every detail in the code editor, from a simple idea to a live app, in just minutes with Snap App's AI. But building doesn't stop here. What if you could create apps without even opening your laptop or PC? Just connect your Telegram bot or install your app with a single click, and your Snap AI agent is always with you. Whether you're at home, traveling, or waiting in line, simply send a message from your phone, and your app starts building instantly. You send one message to your Snap agent, and your app starts building. One command, one AI agent, total control right in your pocket. Because when the power to build software fits in your hand, you can create anywhere life takes you. Once your app is live, it's automatically saved to your My Apps dashboard, keeping all your projects organized in one place. Quickly find any application using search, or filter your projects by all, live, or draft. Need to make changes? Edit your app anytime, preview it instantly, publish new updates with a click, or remove projects you no longer need. Everything you build is always just one click away, ready to manage, update, and launch whenever you need it. Now, we've built an app, but you might be wondering, what if I don't have an app idea? Or I don't even own a website? That's where Snap App's AI truly stands out. It's not just an AI app builder, it's a complete business platform designed to help you earn. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, entrepreneur, or just getting started, Snap App's AI gives you everything you need to create, launch, and sell digital products. Build websites and apps for your clients, deliver projects faster, and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for your work. With Snap App's AI, you're not just building applications, you're building a real business. And if you don't want to build everything from scratch, Snap App's AI has you covered. Get access to 30+ professionally designed, done-for-you templates ready to customize, brand, and launch in minutes. From e-commerce stores and SaaS platforms to portfolios, restaurants, booking systems, CRMs, and more, simply choose a template, make it your own, and publish with just a few clicks. Skip the hard work, save hours of development time, and start delivering projects or launching your own business faster than ever. And that's just the beginning. If you're planning to build an agency, Snap App's AI gives you everything you need to run it like a professional. Manage clients, organize your team, enable white label branding, and close more deals with ready-to-use DFY client proposals. Get Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork profile templates to start attracting clients faster. Create professional invoices, collect client feedback and video approvals, and even generate monthly delivery reports, all from one dashboard. With White Label, make the platform truly yours. Upload your logo, customize your branding, colors, and domain, and deliver a fully branded experience to your clients. They see your business, not ours. And Domain, connect your own custom domain in just a few clicks. Simply enter your domain name and your app is live on your own branded website. And settings, everything is managed from one centralized settings panel. Manage your workspace, upgrade your subscription, access step-by-step tutorials, unlock exclusive bonuses, and get support whenever you need it. No complicated setup. Everything you need to grow your business is just a click away. And that completes your Snap App's AI tour. From idea to launch, from apps to business, everything you need is in one platform. Start building, start growing, and turn your ideas into reality with Snap App's AI.